The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series is undeniably one of the top Android tablets on the market today. Among its variants, the Ultra stands out with its impressive 14.6-inch AMOLED screen, making it an ideal choice for both work and entertainment purposes. It's been almost a year since the Galaxy Tab S9 series was introduced, and we're eagerly awaiting its successor, which is expected to arrive early next year, possibly alongside the highly anticipated Galaxy S25. Fortunately, we don't have to wait until then to catch a glimpse of Samsung's flagship tablet for 2025. Thanks to a reliable source, we now have access to high-resolution renders of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. OnLeaks and Android headlines have provided us with multiple angles of the device, although only 3 renders are currently available. Upon first glance, it's difficult to spot any noticeable differences from the previous model, as the design appears to remain largely unchanged. The leaked information also confirms this, as the dimensions of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra align perfectly with its predecessor, measuring at 326 by 208 millimeters. It's worth noting that the new model is slightly thinner, making it 0.05 millimeters slimmer than its predecessor. Exciting times lie ahead for Samsung enthusiasts, as the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra promises to deliver the same exceptional performance and stunning display that we've come to expect from the Galaxy Tab series. With its sleek design and powerful features, it's sure to make waves in the tablet market when it finally hits the shelves. Samsung is set to bring back some familiar features with the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The tablet will continue to offer quad speakers, providing an immersive audio experience. Additionally, the dual front camera system with a prominent notch will also make a comeback, allowing for great selfies and video calls. On the rear panel, there are 2 cameras accompanied by a magnetic S Pen charging area. This suggests that Samsung may not be introducing a radical new design with this high-end tablet. While we don't have specific details about the internal hardware yet, we can expect Samsung to deliver impressive performance. There have been reports indicating that Samsung is undecided between using its own Exynos chip or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This dilemma is similar to what the company is facing with the Galaxy S25. It will be interesting to see which option they ultimately choose. In terms of storage and RAM, Samsung is likely to offer up to 1 TB of storage and 16 GB of RAM with the Tab S10 Ultra. Some models may even come with 12 GB of RAM, catering to power users who demand top-notch performance. Battery life is always a crucial aspect of any tablet, and Samsung may consider upgrading this attribute with the Tab S10 Ultra. The previous models featured an 11,200 mAh battery, so it's possible that we'll see an improvement in this area. As we eagerly await more information about Samsung's next big tablet, we'll keep a close eye on any new updates. Feel free to share your thoughts on these early renders in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out our channel for more updates. Until then, take care.